welcome to Cambridge Centre Honda. Today we're looking at a 2017 Honda CR-V. Calling the CR-V an overachiever would be an understatement. This vehicle is known for being heavy on its features but light on limitations. The exterior has managed to keep its same iconic styling over the years with sporting a bold front grille, adding to its already resilient attitude. Inside you'll find all the comfort and convenience you would expect with a surprising touch of luxury. With the rear seats folded down, you'll find an abundance of cargo space while the large windows provide excellent visibility. The CR-V's fuel-efficient engine alongside its solid handling ensure an absolute stunning drive. At Cambridge Centre Honda, we treat you like a member of our own family because buying a vehicle should be simple and enjoyable. We provide a welcoming, professional environment where you control the decision-making process. When test driving one of our vehicles, you'll receive a free $25 gas card and have the option to test drive with a salesperson or on your own, with extended overnight and home test drives available. When purchasing your vehicle, you'll receive a free VIP coupon book with up to $1,000 in service and other savings. We do not charge administrative or other hidden fees, and Ontario-wide delivery is always included. With our customers visiting from across southwestern Ontario and beyond, we are honored to serve many of the same families year after year. Thank you for checking out Cambridge Centre Honda, and we look forward to seeing you soon.